Is it possible that our creations, artificial intelligence, will one day overshadow us, the creators? This is not a question of science fiction, but of our reality as we delve deeper into the 21st century. Consider the case of AlphaGo, an artificial intelligence machine developed by DeepMind, a subsidiary of Alphabet Inc. In 2016, AlphaGo stunned the world when it defeated Lee Sedol, one of the world's top players of the complex board game Go. The game, which requires strategic thinking and intuition, was once thought to be insurmountable for AI. Yet, AlphaGo's victory signified a monumental leap in the capabilities of artificial intelligence. Take another example, the AI system developed by OpenAI known as GPT-3. This language prediction model has the capacity to generate human-like text that is practically indistinguishable from something a human might write. From creating poetry to writing essays, GPT-3's ability to mimic human intelligence and creativity has been both astonishing and unnerving. Then there's the case of autonomous vehicles, such as those developed by Tesla. These cars use an array of sensors and complex algorithms to navigate through traffic, obey traffic rules, and make decisions that were once the exclusive domain of human drivers. The implications are profound, from potentially reducing traffic accidents to transforming the very nature of transportation. But what does all this mean for us, the humans who are witnessing and participating in this AI revolution? First, artificial intelligence is not just a tool, but a transformative force. As demonstrated by AlphaGo, GPT-3, and autonomous vehicles, AI has the potential to perform tasks and make decisions that we once thought were exclusively human. This has profound implications for our jobs, our societies, and our identities. Second, artificial intelligence is not a distant future, but a present reality. The impact of AI is not something we will only feel in the distant future. It is something we are experiencing now, as AI technologies become increasingly integrated into our daily lives. Third, the rise of artificial intelligence poses significant ethical and societal challenges. As AI systems become more autonomous and sophisticated, questions about accountability, transparency, and fairness become increasingly important. In conclusion, artificial intelligence is not only changing what is technologically possible, but also what it means to be human in the 21st century. As we continue to develop and integrate AI into our lives, we must be mindful of its impact and take steps to ensure that it serves our collective well-being. Because at the end of the day, artificial intelligence should be a tool for enhancing our human capabilities, not overshadowing them.